Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. I wanted to come on and have you guys do this unboxing with me. Also, while giving you guys a little bit of feedback, I've been back on my journey as it relates to using MAC products. That's what I've been using for my makeup lately. And baby, I don't know why I ever left. Listen, these products have been getting me together. But as I'm doing this unboxing, I want you guys to drop some comments below in regards to which makeup brands you either left or returned to, just due to all of the options we have available right now on the market. I tried this brand new lip combo. It was like a burnt orange pencil with a lip liner with like a bright orange, I think it's called KVG lip stain, and baby, it was way too light, so I had to do some mixing and go over my liner with a dark brown lip liner and mix it up with also some lip gloss. If you guys are interested in learning more on how I did this combo that I have on today, please let me know. But again, I had to return back to the basics with using. But here is my unboxing for today. This is my red Hermès sandals. Now, I've been waiting for a couple of weeks for this to come in the mail. I always buy from either resellers or eBay or things of that nature. And so, again, these are my red Hermès sandals. I've been waiting on these in regards to having a red flat option. I do have other red sandals, but they are heels, and they are about 4+ inch heels. So again, I actually purchased this from a certain sales associate. If you're interested, let me know, and I will drop their information in the comments. Now, this is one of my first purchases from the other side, and so as you can see, it comes with a cute Hermes dust bag, great quality. It has the string on there. Okay, also comes with the Hermes wrapping paper. I do have a pair of these that I purchased at full price, and people was like, hey, have you tried checking out, a certain app or a certain sales associate online to be able to save money? And so this is what I did this time around, and so I'm super excited as I'm unboxing these samples with you. So let's get into the packaging, and you can smell leather. Now, I was kind of skeptical because I was like, is this gonna be a good purchase or not? But yeah, smells like leather, honey. Here we are. This is what they look like close up. These are a size 39. On the bottom, it has the Hermes stamp logo. It also has it written right here on the shoe. Let me do a close up. It has it here. And again, it came in the packaging with its box. A dust bag to be able to put the shoes in. It also came with each sandal packaged up in yellow in plastic with the symbol here. So again, drop that comment below. If you have a certain sales associate you like to use, let me know who they are. This year, I'm all about, if I am going to be spending money, I need to be spending it on the right items, as well as saving and investing, instead of spending thousands of dollars into material things. Now, there is nothing wrong with that. I have done it in the past. I am trying to be smarter with my money and make my money work for me. Therefore, I may be purchasing a couple things or two from sales associates or from the other side. Again, these are genuine leather. I can smell it, okay? If you are interested, again, I will drop my sales associate down below, as well as the link. Drop that comment, like and subscribe if you are interested in seeing and or hearing more content from me. Peace, love, and blessings.